All right. So today is May 12th, 2026. As you can see, today was actually a pretty good day. I took a short down. I wanted to keep going long, of course, but it didn't seem to happen. But either way, we gotta be like water. We gotta flow. We gotta be stuck in the matrix. You know what I'm saying, though? This is what I took today. It was a short down. As you can see, I'm gonna get more into this. This was on my X account, but here we go. So this was Monday. Today's Tuesday. The new Wednesday candle here is forming. So we're talking about this day right here, right? So this doji, I was thinking like maybe we could go short, but we gotta go with the flow since everything's been going up. We're gonna keep going long. So I'm looking for long. Let's go to the 4 hour, right? Take this right here. Oh, this right here is 50% of this candle, right? Usually price will come down to 50% of a previous candle most of the time, right? So this was my final target for the short, but I got out early just because I'm not risking it of it coming close down here and then whipping back up. I was not happening. There's just no way. We're just way too bullish. So anyways, here's a 4 hour. So we have a 4 hour fair value gap, 4 hour busy. And this is 3 a.m. for me. I live on the Pacific time, West Coast. And we go to the 1 hour, right? But what we're really looking at is we are looking at market open, right? This is where all the volatility comes in, is market open. And market open is at 6:30 a.m. PST, right? So we'll label that. I don't have one. Oh, here. We'll just call it daily open, right? Or actually, it's RTH open. Okay. And what I was looking for is I wanted to see to go long, right? I wanted to see this high get taken out, and not just taken out, but even these are relative equal highs, right? I want to see displacement past this high. We tapped into the 4 hour busy. Now let's see if we can make our way out of it and go higher. We have relative equal highs over here. They're nice and smooth. So I wanted to actually see it come all the way back up there. And it's possible because about the average daily range is about 400 points right now. Actually, even more, right? If we go right here. Actually, no, right here. No, what the heck? Oh, here it is. This one. Okay. Um, it should pop up. Come on. There it is. Okay. The average range is about 482 points. So this was the low of the day on Tuesday, and we could easily have taken that and made new all-time highs, right? But instead, we went the opposite way, right? We actually came down, and if we go to this was the open, this was the high of the day on Tuesday, and this was the low. Whoa, 713 points, ridiculous. And if we match it up with 50%, right? Look at how it reaches it. Boom. How crazy is that? 491 points. This was my ultimate target, was down here. I wanted to see it come all the way down here because it actually matches up if we were bearish, right? It would come all the way down here and it matches up with the average range. All right, enough of that. So, we have the 15-minute, right? Price opens up right here. We get a little whipsaw action. Let's go to the 5-minute. Right, your price opens up, we go down and we go up, right? And then boom, right? As soon as we started closing above this high, I'm already looking for a busy to form. I'm scouting it. I'm scouting this busy. We get one on the 3-minute, but I want to see one on the 5-minute or the 15-minute for it to be a strong confluence, right? But we never got that. Instead, let me just put this here to make it easier. Instead, look what it did, right? Oh, let's go back actually. Look what it did. It came down and it closed it. It started closing it. If you go to the 15-second, right? So I'm watching this on multiple time frames as this is happening, right? And even if we do this too, right? Higher time from candles. Let's go here. Let's go to the 5 minute. Okay, you see. So I'm looking for a fair value gap to form here on the 5 minute or the 15 minute. It doesn't happen. It actually closes this previous bullish candle, right? Boom, makes a lower low, closes, and here I'm really looking for a short. Why? This is actually a market maker sell model in the making. All right, let's put this back in here. Okay, as you can see, this is the market maker sell model, right? If you guys see what I'm seeing, I'm trying to make a good vantage point for you guys. Okay, so the market maker sell model, right? Something like this. So boom. Well, actually, it should start from over here. It should start from down here, right? So we go up, right? As soon as I saw this pattern right here, this right here, come back into the order block, I went short right there. You see it right here? This is it. Boom, I go short. Right? Comes down and it comes right back up. And I'm already thinking this is manipulation. This is easily, but even that, I'm even more positive after it comes and hits the 15-minute high. And look how it rejects this 15-minute high up here. Look at this thing. This rejection. Look at the candles. Look at the candle bodies. Right? Can't even make it up there. Staying inside this 15-second BISI. Okay? And for the market maker somehow to finish, right, we're looking for where did it start. Started from right here, this consolidation. So I'm looking already for targets right here. Right, this is my first target. Right here. And then my second target would have been this other consolidation right here. Boom, another one. And that was pretty much the trade. Easily, right? Like I said, I wanted to go bullish, but it just wasn't happening. It wasn't happening. Like, this is where you have to be like water sometimes, even though if you don't see what you want to see, that means you're probably wrong, right? And you need to change bias ASAP. Because look what happens. Boom, imagine trying to go long right here. And then you're like, yeah, we're good. Boom, get taken out. And this come up again right here. Look at regular trading hours open. What does it do? Comes up, hits it. Boom, comes down. This would have been, if I would have been watching it, right? This would have been another entry, right? You could have tried to take a 50% from here. You would have never got it. But let's see if you would have took it from here to here, right? It's another swing point. Boom, you would have got in right here. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. And they could have just started, okay, we're going short, right? Boom, again. We're going short, right? Boom, again. Right, because say you're trying to do it here. Nothing. So you just keep trailing it down. Boom, you would have been hitting the wicks of the candles right there. And you could have just kept doing this all the way down. Nothing. Right, so you just keep bringing this baby down. Keep bringing it down. Boom. Short right here again. Right? And you keep doing it. Right? Boom. Short right here again. Look how many points this is. This is a big candle. I mean a big range. 67-point stop loss we'd have to put in. But you would have made the same on the way back down. So it all worked out. That's pretty much all I got on that. So you can see, all I got for this is know what's validate and knows what invalidates, and that's how you could be like water, and you make your money. You know what I'm saying? And you could be doing it like this, just like me. Peace.